red, green, yellow, blue.
Loud noises! Screaming. Fighting. Obnoxious toys. Slam doors. And broken dishes. If it zip, bang, boom, bam, crash, thud, or bonks, kids are the cause. Some toys are so freaking loud, and they have no volume control. What the crap is that?
Where is the letter? H?
Oh, no. It's the thing. Where, no. H.
I'm a ladybug.
No, you're not. Picture it. It's Wednesday night at 2 a.m. You go downstairs to get a drink of water. You're walking along. Bam! Out of nowhere, that baby wiggle ball goes off, scares the junk out of you, and you hit the deck. Screaming and fighting. It's a mix of professional wrestling meets Black Friday shopping meets a Super Bowl riot meets Lord of the Flies. 1 second, they're little angels in the throes of cuddling. And the next, they've sounded the horns of war like Game of Thrones. Brace yourselves. Playtime is coming. They've never even seen the show. How do they? My kids can't seem to hear loud noises when I make them, though. I can yell, scream, and rant all day long, and I get nothing from them. No response. But of course, if I open a bag of chips, ha! You better get your Garth Brooks on and listen to that thunder roll. It's a stampede of starving children running down the stairs to get a snack. Some nights my kid could be doing gymnastics and body slams in bed and their sibling won't wake up. Won't budge. Not a peep. But other nights, the fan made a weird noise. And now everyone's awake. Is it a frequency thing? Like, did someone light up a dog whistle somewhere and only they heard it? Then there's those times when you have a long day at work and all you're trying to do is get dinner ready. And what happens? The baby is banging on that one pot that you need. Hey buddy, can I get that pot real quick? I'm trying to cook dinner here. Give me the pot! Mama!
Now I'm on a mission, like Popeye with the spinach. I move my muscle hustle and won't stop until it's finished.
Holy crap! Squeedly-dee-boop-bop-bop-ba-dow. Yeah.